Hello children, welcome to DAV online classes. Today we are going to discuss about a very special topic. Before going to share this topic, I want to ask you some questions. Can you recognize all the animals are shared to you? Any animal is there in the slide which you are watching a very first time? No, all the animals are very noted to you. But some animals are belongs to different range. Yes, so I hope you guessed today's topic, that is animal behavior. Different kinds of animals means fauna. They are behaving according to the environment, according to their body postures. Some very small animals are there, just like honeybees, and very hugest animals, just like elephant. So they have their perfections of behavior. They will behave not to the environment. They will adapt themselves to the environment, to the survival of fitness. Some animals are there, they were showing some adaptations to survive in this environment. So many kinds of adaptations were there and animal behaviors were there. But today we are going to discuss one specific behavior, that is instinctive behavior. So, here some animals' inbuilt process are going on in their life. No one is there to learn how to do that. They are a natural process which is going on their lives, and it is very common to perform these activities. Let us see the activities in this video. Swimming, the aquatic animals in water. After by birth, and they are easy to learn how to swim in the water. That is an inbuilt process in aquatic animals. And it is about dolphin to fish. Any aquatic animal, no one is there to learn how to swim. And a spider to weave its web. The spider will spin its web very beautifully, isn't it? As well as migration of birds. They will move in a colonies. So, according to the environmental conditions and climatic conditions, they will move to one place to another place according to the environment or climatic conditions, which is known as migration. And animals behave in order to find off their foods. And they will find their foods, and it is the process which is known as prey and predators. And some small animals, just like butterflies, they have a proboscis, and they will suck the nectar from the flowers by injecting the proboscis into the flowers, where it is a deeper layer. Some animals are there, just like vultures and hawks or eagles, they are scavengers. They will find their food in order to adapt particles. So, different animals showing their behavior towards different kinds of situations, and mating or reproduction process is also a very wonderful situation, we can say, in order to the animal behavior. And it is also an inbuilt process which is going on with each and every organism, even it is a very small or a hugest one. It is same with aquatic animals, whether it is a bird. According to the colorful body parts, otherwise some innate orders or activities, they will attract their mates. And by the hormonal predictions, they will mate to each other by choosing their prey. And birds began to build their nest. And it is a typical phenomena to understand how the bird will build their nest. Laying eggs and hatching the eggs, incubating the eggs, brooding the eggs, all these are a natural phenomena. Not only hatching, feeding their babies while they cannot fly high in a stages of primitive. Then some animals will show common flow. To mix their body parts with the environment, they will change colors of their body parts just like chameleons. It is a reptile. So all these are inbuilt process going on in their animal's life. In our next video, we will meet with another type of behavior. I hope you understand this module. Thank you, children. Keep learning, keep getting knowledge.